Hello guys, welcome back to the first video series. In this video, inshallah, you will learn 10 very useful words and phrases starting with the sixth letter H. There is also a fun quiz at the end, so stick around till the end. Alright, the first word is ህፃን. ህፃን means baby or child or kid. Let us see the word in an example. ህፃኑ ተኝቷል. The baby is sleeping. But don't forget to repeat after me each word and example sentence. Alright, the second one is ህግ is law. ሁሉም ሰው ህግ ማክበር አለበት. Everyone must respect the law. The third one is ህይወት means life. ህይወት እንዴት ነው? How is life, or how is life treating you? The fourth one is ህዝብ means people, nation. የኢትዮጵያ ህዝብ እንግዳ ተቀባይ ነው። The Ethiopian people are hospitable. The fifth one is ህንፃ. Can you pronounce ህንፃ and ህፃን? Please try it again and again and they will make it right at the end. ህንፃ is a building. ይህ ህንፃ በጣም ረጅም ነው። This building is very tall or very long. The sixth one, ህክምና is treatment, medical care. ዶክተሩ ጥሩ ህክምና አደረጉለት. The doctor gave him a good treatment. Are you repeating after me? Alright, very good. Number 7, ህሊና is something around here, or I don't know where it is, but conscience. እንዲህ አይነት ስራ ለመስራት ህሊናዬ አይፈቅድም. My conscience won't let me do something like this. Number 8, ህልም is dream. ትናንት or ትላንት, some people say ትላንት, but the correct one is ትናንት. This must be n, and this also must be na. ትናንት ማታ አስደሳች ህልም አየሁ. I had a pleasant dream last night. Number 9, ህብረት means unity or union. በህብረት መስራት ደስ ይላል. It is fun to work together with other people. But is a preposition with. Alright, number 10 and the last one is ህዳር is a month. ህዳር means November. ህዳር 10 ነው የተወለድከው? This one is 10, alright? ህዳር 10 ነው የተወለድከው? Were you born on November 10th? Now, it is a quiz time. Let us test your understanding immediately. What you're gonna do is just translating the Amharic words and the phrases into English, alright? For example, ህፃን ልጅ means baby, kid, infant, child, etc. But what does ህግ ማክበር means? ህግ ማክበር means obeying the law. Alright. እንዴት ነው? What is the meaning of እንዴት ነው ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? እንዴት ነው means how is life treating you, or how is it going? Alright. እንግዳ ተቀባይ. What is the meaning of እንግዳ ተቀባይ means hospitable. Alright. በጣም ረጅም ህንፃ means በጣም ረጅም ህንፃ. What is the meaning of በጣም ረጅም ህንፃ? Very tall building. A very tall or long building. ጥሩ ህክምና. What is the meaning of ጥሩ ህክምና means good medical care. A good medical care. ህሊናዬ አይፈቅድም. What is the meaning of ህሊናዬ አይፈቅድም means? ህሊናዬ አይፈቅድም means my conscience won't allow. አስደሳች ህልም. What is the meaning of አስደሳች ህልም? አስደሳች ህልም is a pleasant dream. ደስ ይላል means ደስ ይላል is by the way very commonly used phrase, alright? When you express something pleasant to you, say ደስ ይላል. That sounds good. That sounds right. Or it is fun, alright? It is fun. ህዳር 10. What is the meaning of ህዳር 10? ህዳር 10 means This one is very simple, easy. November 10th. Alright, you got it. You got it. በጣም ጎበዝ በጣም ጎበዝ. So that is it for today. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. All the way to the end. To the end. So I hope this video helped you to learn something new. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and share it with others too, alright? Also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell icon. And if you have questions, let me know in the comment section. Today you learned practical Amharic words and phrases like ሕፃን ልጅ ሕክምና እንዴት ነው ረጅም ህንፃ like a long building, alright? Did you forget that right now? I don't think so. ደስ ይላል. It is fun. Sounds right. Sounds good. ህዳር 10. ህዳር 10 means November 10th. And it is here, alright? So these are very useful for your everyday communication. So in the next lesson, inshallah, we will learn where to start the last letter Ho. H-O. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming Amharic lesson. See you there. Ciao.